Yes.
Just put this in your video so everyone knows how ridiculous and stupid you are for this. Setting me up for failure.
Right, so it's been 6 months since you passed your driving test.
No, more than that.
Oh, more than that.
July,
Okay.
August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March. Oh, not much yet.
I'm gonna
like 8 months.
I'm gonna quiz you.
Okay.
On how many tell me questions you can remember.
Hi, Richard here. Sorry to interrupt the video, but we have to tell you we have teamed up with this brilliant insurance company called MyFirst, specialist in young driver insurance. Give them a call. You see the number there. The website address is down there. This will give you an exclusive £50 discount. You talk to real people. They're just a great company to deal with.
Yeah, tell me questions. The ones at the beginning of the test.
Really bad at these
Yeah,
ones.
really bad at these, weren't you? So here you go. I've got the answers in front of me. Right. So
This is when we ran around the car.
how many are you going to get right? No, yeah, that's right. Yeah. So we're going to do the level one. We're not going onto the bonnet. It's too wet and miserable. No.
No, I'm saying which way do I go?
Oh, okay. All right. Well, girlfriend. No. We're going to right. There we go. So 9 to get right. No, it's not. What's 14 minus 3? 11. Thanks. 11 to get right. What are you going to get right out of 11? You got to get 10 right, I reckon.
Oh, I hope for
Okay, let's
4.
have a go. Here we go. Oh, you're great. Ambitious. Number 1. Tell me how you check the brakes are working before starting a journey.
When you press the brake, the steering wheel shouldn't be going either side.
It shouldn't
Should
pull to
feel
one
spongy.
side. Yeah, spongy. That's the word. Or pull to one side. I'll give you that.
Side.
Give you that. Yeah, just as you move off, operate the brakes. They should not feel spongy, and the car should not pull to one side. Number 2.
Give that's exactly what I said.
Yeah, well,
That's
close.
verbatim.
That's great. Okay, tell me where you'd find the information for the recommended tyre pressures for this car and how tyre pressure should be checked.
In the manual.
In the manual,
Vehicle
that's
manual.
good. Yes.
Handbook.
And what would you use to make sure you've used it as an accurate reading?
Glasses? What do you mean?
Like, what
Wait,
sort
what's
of-
the question we're doing? Sorry, what's the question?
Okay, tell
Tyre
me how.
pressure.
Yeah.
Oh, years of coin should be like 0.2.
No, that's not tyre pressure. That's
Oh.
depth of.
Gorge, yeah.
What's that going to do? Think about it. Where would you find the information correct? How would you? Oh, hello.
No.
This is good. We like this. It's great. And how the tyre pressure should be checked. You lose a reliable tyre gauge.
Oh, hang on.
Don't forget to replace the. Follow the redhead.
Yeah.
Hey, you know you get to kid with. And don't forget to replace the valve afterwards, the dust cap, whatever it's called.
Yep.
Valve caps. Yes,
So
there
I've
you go.
got one right so far.
No, well, one
I
and a
went.
half.
No, I'm not counting that.
Okay.
That's embarrassing.
Tell me how you make sure the head restraint is correctly adjusted to
Wait,
give you
is
maximum.
it 30 here?
That's 40. You just went past the 40 sign because you're looking. Tell me how you make sure the head restraint is correctly adjusted so it provides the
Shit.
best protection in the event of a crash.
It's actually not good for me right now, but it should be
You see,
in
it's
line
fine.
with
It's
your.
perfect.
Okay. Like how it is for me right now, then.
Well, that's not really the answer we're looking for. But
It should be.
second exit this
Sorry,
way.
I'm focusing.
Yeah, you focus. Just sure this is a good idea. This.
Well, no, because they show me.
It's good. Yeah, it should be on.
Show me-
It should be on drive and talk. That's what you're
Yeah.
doing with your friends after you pass your driving test. That's
Sorry.
first gear, Hannah. That's third gear.
Oh no, it was wrong signal. God. Okay, carry on. We're okay now. No one's behind me.
Okay, that's great. Okay,
So I wanted to drive bare feet.
listen. That's the reason why.
That's why I want to drive
That
bare
stops you
feet.
going to
Feet
first gear, doesn't it?
out. Oh yeah.
Right. Tell me how you make sure the head restraint's correctly adjusted. Done that. The head
should be in line
restraint
with
should
your
be
temples.
adjusted to give you maximum protection,
Yeah.
so that the centre part of the headrest is level with it in
Temple.
middle of your ears and eyes.
Yeah.
I'll put the caption up. I can't be bothered to
Okay.
talking. Number 4. Tell me how you check the tyres to ensure they have sufficient tread depth and the general condition is safe on the road.
So it should be. I'm going to say 0.4. I'm going to say 0.2 first one. No,
They'd be very-
0.4.
They'd be really wrong.
Wait, okay.
What's the minimum tread depth?
0.25.
No.
0.2.
1.6 millimetres.
Okay. Oh.
On all of the tyre. Or
I'm
the whole
getting-
of the
Do you
tyre.
know why I'm getting confused? I'm getting confused because it's a 20p.
Yes.
And 20p is 0.2 pounds. So.
Oh, for goodness sake. That's ridiculous. What?
Sorry, you
Yeah.
can say.
Okay. 1.6 millimetres on any bit of the tyre or more than a bit of the tyre? How much of the tyre?
All of it.
Yeah, the whole circumference. There we go. Making sure there's not what.
That was question number 4.
No, hang on. That's not. No, what about the walls of the tyres? What should they be like? What shouldn't you have on them?
Oh, you should have spikes.
No, there shouldn't be any cuts and bulges.
Oh.
The general condition of the tyre. This is not going well, is it? Tell me how you check that the headlights and taillights are working.
Pardon?
Tell me how you check the headlights and taillights are working.
Oh, you're looking at a reflection. Oh no, headlights and taillights, you can get out of the car, can't you?
Yes.
Just look.
And turn them on.
Turn them on, yeah.
Yeah, turn them on, have a look. Yeah, brilliant. How do you know there's a
Wow,
problem?
what are they doing? Oh, do I need to move?
Let's just slow down. Just come to the side. That's it. That's nice. Do it there. That's it. Keep it going. Bring it out.
I was going to say, like, that car front's in quite a horrible driving.
Yes. That was good. Well done. Tell me how you know if there's a problem with the anti-lock braking system.
Anti-lock braking system, there should be warning lights.
Yes, I want to say anti-lock braking system. Or 3 lessons.
ABS.
Yeah, well done. Tell me-
ABS?
Yes. How do you check that the direction indicators are working?
Why are they still on one side of the road?
Huh?
Why is that car in front still driving really weirdly?
I don't know. What's up and asking? Anyway, how do you know the indicators are working?
You put the indicator on, see if it indicates.
Yes. And what do you do?
Look. See if it
Have a look when they can't have a look.
Yeah.
Okay. How do you know the brake lights are working?
Oh, so you had to put the brake on, either ask a friend to get out of the car, or look in a reflection of a window.
Fantastic. Number 9. Tell me how you check the power-assisted steering is working before starting a journey.
So I actually don't know what that is.
Well, power-assisted steering is really light. In old days, cars used to be really stiff to turn.
Oh, really?
We're taking the second exit, taking on the left-hand side to Kidworth.
Okay. I'm nearly there then.
No, we're near a roundabout. I see what you mean. Yeah, not far.
A lot of coasting there for me.
Sorry, just changing gear. It's fine.
Second exit, did you say?
Slow it down. That car's coming around, isn't it?
Yeah. So is that car? No, it's not. That should. Sorry.
Get a move on. That car's coming
Oh.
around. Keep low to the left. Signal left. They're coming in. Right, because you dawdled there, that car caught up
Yeah,
with
fair
you.
enough.
That was not good.
No.
That would be a test fail.
Yeah.
So it just shows you pass 0 minors and you still do mistakes afterwards.
Yeah, sorry.
Yeah. How about that?
Keep going. More cheese.
I'm sure what to read now. Let's watch out for these cars here.
The fire ambulance. Fire ambulance.
Oh
my god, too many cars.
Overload, information overload.
I always need to stop being so
Panicky?
no expressive, because when you do videos
Yes.
and that situation comes in, I get like tensions come in
Oh dear.
and my face just bulges out my face. My eyes like bulge.
Last one.
And you have a speed filter on as well. You make everything like look more like defined so that you look more of a smoother face.
I
But
do
your
not have
fa-
filters on.
but people who yeah, you do.
No, I don't.
You do.
No, I don't. I do not have filters on.
Not a filter, like a filter, like a filter.
I don't have a filter.
You do have a filter because no one looks that
My
pigmented
brain
in real
doesn't have a
life.
filter. My mouth shoots off. I don't have any filters. It's just,
one, Rick.
it's just raw footage.
No, I know this.
We say
I'm
the camera
set-
does it by
yeah.
itself. Oh, it might do. I haven't set it to do that.
Mm. Keep going, you're annoying now.
Oh, that's charming.
Keep going.
Right. Tell me how do you switch on the rear fog lights? And where?
Left stalk.
Yeah, whereabouts on the left stalk?
At the bottom.
Yeah, okay, that'll do. Right, last one. Tell me how you switch the headlights from dipped to main beam and explain how you'd know the main beam is on.
Dips to main beam.
Yeah.
Oh, the twisty thing.
Yeah, it was forward and backwards in this car.
Forward and backwards in this car.
Yeah.
Oh, what's the last part of the question?
How do you know they're on full beam?
There'll be a warning light.
Yeah.
A light letting you know.
Yeah,
Each
colour.
blue.
Yeah, very good. There you go.
And I can answer the last three because one of the last three is in my test.
Under the bonnet.
Yeah, I can tell you
Great.
where it is in the bonnet.
Good.
Oh, so actually,
Yes.
this can put this in your video so everyone knows how ridiculous and stupid you are for this, setting me up for failure.
What do you mean?
So in my test,
Yeah.
what's the last questions again? Sorry, they're like show me where what is.
Fog lights.
No, as like in the bonnet question. Sorry.
Oh, oil, coolant.
Yeah.
Right. Yeah.
Yeah, those ones.
Yeah.
I'm a confused one.
How do I set you up for failure?
So
They got a
you
silver
said-
minor pass.
Yeah, well, yeah. Thankfully, I managed to like bullshit my way through it.
Yes.
But you said to me that the question,
Yeah.
because we went through the questions on the way to the test, because
Yeah.
you said I didn't need to. Sorry.
Can you just focus,
Yeah.
maybe? Yeah, go on.
1 second, I'm freaking out. Okay. You said the question was, show me where the coolant is.
Yes.
Blah blah. That wasn't the question. They said, show me where the coolant is and how you check the levels are okay.
All right.
Mm.
Sure, I did that.
Yes, you did do that. So I remember very distinctly when he asked me a question. He was like, He's like, oh, this open bonnet. I was like, boom, I know these questions. I can go left here. So I was like, I've got this in the bag. And he went, oh, then he threw in, oh, how would you check the levels for that? And I looked at him, I was like, oh, it's that one. They went, yeah, great. So how would you check the levels for that? And I said, well, Sam, I'll tell you. I said, oh, so it's that one. Yeah, we've kind of established that already, haven't we? I said, so I would, I said, oh, so that one there, I would, and I looked at him like, am I making any progress? I went, I would open it up. And he went, so you would touch it? I went, nah. nah, Sam, who do you think I am? Am I going left? No. I would look at it. He went, yeah. I went, and see if the levels are correct. He went, so how would you do that? I went, just look at it and see if the levels are correct. And he was like, okay, Hannah, that's all right. Yeah, I think for about.
Hedged your bets there, did you?
Well, I was saying, look at it.
Vague, yeah.
Very
Circles
vague.
there, that one, that's your road.
Yes, it is that road, not my road.
It's the road you own to, is it your road?
Oh, yeah.
Well, there we go. Conclusive proof. Once you've learnt to drive with our drive, you'll never make a mistake again. Like and subscribe.
Thank you very much for watching.
So do remember, please like and subscribe and press notify.